that any plans for your any substantial plans for the Fresh to Home app, or you don't want to reveal those secrets right away, or any other thought which is going to through your mind that there is another app in the making? Like, what is it? What do we expect?
So, I mean, specifically to our business, yes, expansion is there in the cards. Like we are going to expand into more and more cities. Like we are already operating in 50 cities in India. We are going to now get into like tier two and tier three cities. And we are also trying to bridge the gap between offline and online. That is something that we are trying to do. We have started with retail stores in a lot of cities now. Like we have retail stores in our top cities like Bangalore, Delhi, Chennai, Cochin, and now we are going to open more and more retail stores. And this gets a little challenging because when you actually look from a consumer perspective, right? Historically, the why the online sector had the advantage was they have the data. Like once the consumer comes to an app, like the next time the consumer comes to the same app, the app knows like what this consumer is, what his preferences are, like, and based on that you can actually cater to the consumer's requirement in a better way, right? Or let's say give them a better deal compared to the offline market. That doesn't happen in offline. It's very hard to do. So this is what we are working on, like how to bridge that gap between offline and online. And like the consumer, doesn't matter if the same customer is coming offline, same customer is coming online, how do we give the same seamless experience to that customer? So that is something which we are going to do. And definitely like more advantage or advances in the food technology as such, like which, because there's a huge infrastructure on the back end side, from sourcing to bringing the products to our cities and delivering it, right? It's a huge infrastructure there. So they're bringing more and more technology there, through like IoT devices and ensuring like, to give you an example, a fish which is caught on the coast, we are able to deliver that same fish to a consumer in any part of India, like where we operate, within 24 hours, right? While maintaining the temperature under 4 degrees Celsius. We have to maintain the temperature because if you do not, that product will get spoiled. And we are able to do that through the involvement of a lot of technologies that we have built, like that technology which has helped us to get like really good sourcing at a very good price, as well as be able to deliver it to the end customer and maintaining the quality of that product. This is, I would say, an unfair advantage to us because of the involvement of technology compared to the traditional markets. So this is something that we are going to like further improve, probably like reduce the time. And like also how do we continue to do this even when we go to our smaller cities where it will be even more difficult given the transportation challenges?
Saurabh,
I
your question.
I
Can you
think
hear
I
me?
think yeah.
One striking thing about you, Saurabh, is I asked you a question and about expansion. You can talk me and stuff like that. You did not even mention about your competitors. Are you? I mean, that's a very good trait that that you're going to fight with the giants. Okay, and your it says that I'm well equipped. I just don't want to talk about it. I want to do my thing in the best possible way, and that will fetch me the results. So I don't know, that is something very rare thing about anyone that who's okay. Competitors are going to be there, but I'm going to processes my product and my services are going to be the top notch.